At the end, I'd like to leave you with a thought which may not seem like it needs to be a part of a course on investment advice, but I think it's something that all of us need to be reminded of time and again. This is tip number 10, which is don't compare yourself with others. And what I mean by this is that when we are creating our investment strategy, when we are listing our investment goals, we need to make sure that we are only thinking of ourselves and our own lives. Like I mentioned in the first tip, which is set your personal goals, again, what I would like to say over here is that do not compare your investments with other people's. It does not matter how much money your friends have. It does not matter who has the biggest car. It does not matter who has the fanciest clothes. Ultimately, what matters is that I am able to get the most joy from the choices that I have made in my life. I would rather spend my money on the things that give me pleasure rather than on the things which are considered the right kind of things that I need to own at any stage of life. And this is something which you will need to constantly remind yourself of. As human beings, we are predisposed to comparing ourselves to our peer group. We are unfortunately always slaves to our ego, and it does hurt to see somebody that you spent your schooling with, that you grew up with, and seeing that, oh, this person has larger diamond earrings than I do or has a fancier car. But don't forget that you do not know the whole story. Everyone's life is different. Everyone's priorities are different. Everyone's choices are different. Make conscious choices dependent on what you consider important, and then stick with your choices and constantly remind yourself that these are the things that matter to you, that are important for you. And when I say this, I don't mean that your priorities cannot change. Definitely they can change. As you grow older, as your family expands, as you move on through various life stages, you might realize that things which were very important for you earlier are no longer important, and the things which earlier you never gave a second thought to now take up the majority of your mental space. Well, that's perfectly fine. That's when you need to revisit your investment strategy, look at your portfolio, look at the kind of money that you're setting aside, and then create a new revised investment strategy. But that is something which again needs to be a personal decision. I feel that this is something which all of us need to remind ourselves of. It's easy to be led astray. It's easy to be dissatisfied and discontented. But ultimately, it's just money. As long as you have enough to live a reasonably comfortable life, as long as you have your health, as long as you have your friends and family around you, your life is going fine. Do not compare yourself with others. Accept that you are doing the best that you can. It may not be as much as you had initially aspired to, but that's reality, and there's really not much more that we can do, is there? So as long as we are doing our best, making the right judgment calls, and living the way that we feel is right for ourselves, I think we've done a great job. And this is where I leave you with my 10 tips for investing. I hope you found them useful.